Hi there, my name is Dr. Marissa May. In this video, we're working with an equation that has a fraction as its exponent. So let's take a look. When I solve an equation like this, I want to first get that term that has the fraction exponent all by itself. And I'm going to do that in this case by adding 60 to both sides. That leaves me with x plus 4 to the 3/2 power equals 64. Now, here's the tricky part. I need to get that 3/2 power out of the exponent. In fact, I need that exponent to go away and just become a 1. The way I do that is I'm going to take both sides of this equation and I'm going to raise both sides to the 2/3 power. Notice I'm going to raise it to the reciprocal power. So 2/3 power here and 2/3 power here. You're thinking, why did you do that? Because look what happens when I raise a power to a power, I multiply those exponents. So check out the exponent on x plus 4 now. See, 3 times 2 is 6. And 2 times 3 is also 6. So now 6 over 6 is 1. I've got x plus 4 to the first power, which is what I wanted. All right, now let's deal with this 64 to the 2/3. If you want to use your calculator, you definitely can do that. But when I have a fraction exponent, here's what I remember, that it's the power over the root. See, I remember the roots of a tree go down below, so I remember that the root goes on the bottom. So let me show you how I apply that. That means this is going to be a cube root, a third root of 64 to the second power. So I just did that power over root. Now the cube root of 64 is 4. Then we take it to the second power, which would be 16. So now I have x plus 4 equals 16. So I did all of that so that I could have this super simple equation to solve, which would give me that x is 12. So remember, the key to working with a fraction exponent is to raise both sides of the equation to that reciprocal power, and then you will be able to solve a pretty simple equation.